Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the dishes I replay. Right next to you, you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away. You don't really want to. I just want.
Hey y'all, it's me Rachel, and today I'm back with another headband wig video for you guys. So this one is coming from Julia Hair, and they sent me their 24-inch water wave headband wig. And they didn't send me, I think they sent me one headband actually, but I didn't wear it, so that should tell you. But yeah, I was kind of bummed I didn't get any headbands, but this is the wig. Very bouncy, flowy, straight out of the box. And it just has, actually, the construction on this one was a little bit different. This is the first. As you guys can see, there's only one big clip on the top and one big clip on the bottom. There's none on the sides at all. So I kind of wanted to go more in detail with you guys about how I guess, prepare my hair underneath for the headband wigs. So as you guys can see, I just section my hair off because you want to get it as flat as possible. And the best way to get your hair flat is to work in sections, in my opinion. Then I just go in and detangle through the root each section, and then I'll flatten it down with like some Eco Styler gel or whatever you would like to use. And then once I get the back half flat, I'll put it in a ponytail holder to keep it flat as I work on the top half. Okay, so now I'm just forming a ponytail. I put it pretty low, and then I brush it out to make sure that it's as flat as possible. And then I lift it forward and like spread it out across kind of like the back of my head as flat as it can go. And then I bobby pin it down flat. And yeah, that's all I do. I don't put on a wig cap or anything for headband wigs. I feel like it would just slide right off anyway because of like where the wig sits. So that's all I do. If you guys would like to see me put on the wig and style the wig, then just keep watching.
Trying to pull us down with such mess. Why can't they let us live just like the rest and keep us out of all this crazy madness? Now when they talk, I think it's just a shame that all they do is sit and think my name, when all that I do is mainly sit and think about my baby and me. And baby, they can't believe they can't. You and me are together. That's why they should have never said never. Yeah. There were times when we thought that you and me could never be together. That's why we should have never said never. Said never. Whatever thought about the way me and you getting down.
Hey guys, that is all for today's video. This is how the wig turned out. I think it looks really nice. I think it dried beautifully actually. It's not as soft as some other wide wave wigs that I have tried, but beautiful nonetheless. I trusted the process and I think it turned out really nice. I wasn't disappointed and I like the longer length. I don't know if I've tried like a super long headband wig. So yeah, oh yeah, also look at that shine, y'all. I know you see it, I know you see. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed, be sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Check out Julia Hair. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.